we're at a good stopping point for lunch, but as you can see, it is coming right along. Actually looks pretty good in here. I don't see any reason why this can't be finished up today unless we're short a piece of steel or something like that, but we're getting ready to break and we're gonna finish the roof line here. We just got 1.5 more pieces to go, and then the bottom there, that won't take much time. The bottom's gonna be a whole lot easier than the top, and we're past the hard part. Some of y'all notice the roofing material is not the way I would normally put it, but we're following the, let me see if I can walk around here, you might be able to see it. Following the way the original roof, they had these panels going sideways, so I kind of have to go that way. Don't like it. It's not ideal, but it is what it is. And for what it's gonna be covering up, it's just gonna be lumber and hay and feed and stuff. It should be okay. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll come back after lunch and finish this thing up for the day.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.